Hi, today we are going to learn about lines. First is horizontal line. A horizontal line is the one that goes from left to right. Next one is vertical line. A vertical line is the one that goes from up to down. Next is parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which are at equal distance from each other and never meet, just like a railway track. You can see few examples for the same here. Next is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are the two lines that meet or intersect each other at the right angles, that is 90 degree, like corners of laptop screen. Just like this. Now, let us take few examples. Which of the following is an example of parallel lines? Is it A or B? A shows the lines on a page, whereas B shows the angle made by the minute hand and hour hand on a clock. Parallel lines are the lines which are at equal distance from each other and never meet, just like the lines on a page. That means A represents the parallel lines.